Hi, I'm Cindy with Attleboro Kitchen and Bath. I'm here to show you how to make a Houzz idea book. We're going to go ahead and either sign up to have a Houzz account or sign in if you already have one. I already have one, so I'm just going to sign in. There's my profile. These are different idea books I've already made. On the front page, you'll also see some beautiful pictures from other designers. This is quite nice with that wood and white, huh? But let's go ahead. We're going to search today for pedestal sinks. It's something I'm working on for a project, and I'd like to get some inspiration. So you'll see there are different options. I'm going to look for pedestal sinks in bathrooms. And there's some nice, that's a dual setup. And then, oh, this is nice. This one here has a nice beadboard wainscoting. I think I'm going to save that. I'm going to put it in one of my idea books, but I don't already have one, it looks like, for pedestal sinks. So I'm going to go ahead and create an idea book just for pedestal sinks. And I'll say create. And then I can make notes about the picture. What did I like? So later on, when I go back to it, I'll remember. And then I will go ahead and also say that I do like that it's a square sink. And here I'm going to save it. And now Houzz will give me an option to share this. I can share it with friends and family, but more importantly, as a consumer, I can share it with my designer. And so I'm going to go ahead and share it with myself at Attleboro Kitchen and Bath. And so I invite myself, I add me, and so I can either set it to view or edit, and then go ahead and invite. So these are single pictures that you can save into an idea book and share. But if you want to go ahead and share your entire idea book, click on your account, go to your idea books, and you can see I have several here for different projects. And now we're going to go ahead, I'm going to click on this one for walk-in showers, and I'm going to invite. I've already invited myself, so that's where you would invite your designer to go ahead and view that. Thanks for joining me. This is Cindy. I'm with Attleboro Kitchen and Bath. Give us a call or check out our YouTube channel for our virtual walkthrough of our showroom.